Good morning, students. Now, in the today's period, we can study here DNA packaging. की एवढा मोठा असणारा DNA आपल्याला लहानशा अशा न्यूक्लियसमध्ये नेचरनं सिच्युएटेड केलेला मिळतो. हा DNA खूप लांब आहे, खूप मोठा आहे, लेंथ त्याची लॉंग आहे आणि तो एका न्यूक्लियसच्या मध्ये सिच्युएटेड केलेला आहे. आपल्याला या ठिकाणी mammals it having the length of DNA that is approximately 2.2 meter. Length is 2.2 meter and approximate size of nucleus is 10 raised to power minus 6 meter. So DNA is long, it becomes condensed, coiled and supercoiled and it is placed inside the nucleus. There, due to the coiling, due to supercoiling, it becomes possible to keep the structure like DNA, which is long, to place in the nucleus. We know that there are two types of cell, that is the eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. In prokaryotic cell, there is no well-developed nucleus, nuclear membrane and cell organelles, they are absent. The example which we have to study here, that is the E. coli or Escherichia coli. And the another type of cell called as the eukaryotic cell, where the well-developed nucleus, nuclear membrane, well-organized structure of the nucleus is present and the cell organelles are also present in it. Now see here, we are seeing here the DNA packaging. DNA, it is placed inside the nucleus. In eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells differently. We have to study one by one. In the previous period also we have studied the chromosome, that the chromosomes, they are made up of DNA and they are the unit, they are forming the genes which are responsible to inherit character from one generation to another generation. As we know that here two types of cell, so packaging also takes place with the different method. Now the packaging in prokaryote, the cells which are too much small, as we know that the cells, they are not well developed, they have not well developed nucleus, nuclear membrane, cell organelles, they are absent. So here one example, that is in E. coli, that is called as Escherichia coli. In E. coli or Escherichia coli, the cell size is 2 to 3 mu long. What is the cell size? 2 to 3 mu long, and the nucleus is small, circular, folded region, that is 1100 mu long, that is 1.1 meter, and the nucleoids is to be filled in 2.2 to 3 mu long structure. So in this structure also, the inside the nucleus, the DNA is situated over the place. So negatively charged DNA, now there are charges, positive charge and negative charge. The negatively charged DNA becomes circular and reduced to 350 mu. The size reduced to 350 mu to 30 mu due to coiling, condensation, supercoiling. The structure is reduced up to the 30 mu in diameter due to the folding, and loops are formed. Small loops are formed with the help of RNA connector. One molecule is used there, that is the RNA connector, which is useful to loop formation and positively charged histone proteins. What is the charge of the DNA? Negatively charged. And the charge on the histone, that is positively charged histone proteins and DNA gyrase is used for the packing. So this is the packaging of prokaryotic type of DNA in the nucleus. So size is long. The negatively charged DNA becomes circular, reduced up to the 30 μm in diameter, and loops are formed, and there the packaging of DNA molecule takes place. Here the formation of loop is assisted by RNA connector, and the positively charged histone proteins and DNA gyrase are used for the packing. या ठिकाणी पॅकिंगसाठी 2-3 सबस्टन्स आपल्याला लागतात. एक आहे RNA कनेक्टर, पॉझिटिव्हली चार्ज हिस्टोन अँड निगेटिव्हली चार्ज हिस्टोन अँड निगेटिव्हली चार्ज DNA, and the DNA gyrase is used for the packaging. So packaging takes place in the prokaryote like it. Now the eukaryote, see here in the figure you will get here 1, 2, 3, 4 and backside 4. That are the histone octamer. Now these histones are H2A, H2B, H3 and H4, each having 2, so all are forming the yet structure. So it is the histone octamer. Here you will get the H3 histone, and we will find that nucleus is well organized. Well organized means it having nuclear membrane and cell organelle well developed. Nucleus is present. It is present in eukaryote in the higher organism. So in the 1974, Korenberg reported that the different scientists they worked on this. Korenberg in 1974 reported that DNA is with histone and non-histone protein. Which two things are there? Histone and non-histone proteins are there. Histones are positively charged. See here, histones are positively charged and DNA is with the negatively charged. But here, yet molecules of histones are present. It is called as octamer. It is called as the octamer. The Korenberg in 1974 reported that, Korenberg, a scientist, in 1974 reported that their DNA is with the histone and non-histone proteins. Histones are positively charged and DNA is negatively charged. Histones have 8 molecules that are called as octamer, which are 4 each having 2, H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. So it is forming the octamer of histone, and then the negatively charged DNA wrapped around it and around the octamer. Nucleosome core is made up of 2 molecules of each 4 types, which are 4 types given in the figure also: H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. Now, one nucleosome contains 200 base pair long DNA helix wound around it. One nucleosome contains 200 base pair long DNA helix wound around it. Now, each nucleosome has 146 base pairs of segment of DNA present. So, here the nucleosome is repeated unit of chromatid. It occurs repeatedly and it looks like the beads on string. एखादी माळ असते त्याच्यामध्ये असणारे जे मणी असतात त्यासारखं हे स्ट्रक्चर आहे. इट इज लुकिंग लाईक बीड्स ऑन स्ट्रिंग. इट इज थ्रेड लाईक colored structure and it is found inside the nucleus or situated in the nucleus. Here the 2 types of DNA's packing we have studied. In the prokaryote also, here by coiling and condensation in the less space of the nucleus, the DNA is situated or present naturally. In the eukaryote, here the histones they having octamer. These are 8 cells. They are positively charged. They are wrapped around or wrapped by the DNA which is negatively charged, and it is the structure which looks like the beads on string. एखाद्या माळेमध्ये जसे मणी असतात त्या प्रकारचं हे स्ट्रक्चर आहे. सो दीज आर द बोथ टाइप्स ऑफ पॅकेजिंग ऑफ द DNA in the prokaryote and in the eukaryote. The mammals it contains 2.2 meter long, that is the DNA, and it is situated in the cell. Now see here, at the higher level, the packaging requires another additional set of protein, that is the non-histone chromosomal protein, NHC. Non-histone chromosomal proteins, they are required at the higher level, and under electron microscope, under electron microscope, 200 base pairs wraps around the histone octamer. 200 base pair wrapped around the histone octamer by 1/3/4 turn. So how much turn? 1/3/4 turns. Here the packaging takes place between the DNA and the octamer. Now the two terms we have to study, that is the heterochromatin and euchromatin. What is heterochromatin? In eukaryotic cell, some chromosome segment in interphase remains condensed. In the interphase, some part remains condensed, and this constitutes heterochromatin. This is present near the centromere, telomere. It is the taking color, or it stains strongly, and it is genetically inactive. What is the heterochromatin? In eukaryotic cell, some chromosome segments in the interphase and sometimes prophase remains condensed. This constitute, or this forms the heterochromatin. This is the region present near the telomere and other or centromere. It stains strongly and it is genetically inactive. Now the euchromatin, it stains light. ते रंग कमी घेतात, it stains light, and this region is non-condensed state. This is the region of non-condensed state. You will find genetically active region is present there. This is fast replicating region. Thank you.